Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the world of tech and office supplies. Today, we're talking about a crucial component for your printers, the bigger replacement ribbon for Epson. If you're tired of inconsistent prints and want to keep your office running smoothly, stay tuned for the next 5 minutes as we explore this office essential. Let's kick things off by discussing the most critical aspect of any printer ribbon, the quality. Bigger doesn't disappoint here. Their ERC-30 34/38 black-red ribbon cartridge is designed to provide you with consistent, crisp characters every time you hit print. Say goodbye to faded, uneven prints. This ribbon delivers quality you can rely on. But quality alone isn't enough, reliability matters too. These ribbon cartridges are built to precise specifications, which means less downtime and seamless installation into your printer. You can count on them to perform consistently, print after print. Now, let's talk convenience. Bigger's ERC-30 34/38 ribbon offers a generous 5 meters of ribbon length. That translates to a whopping 500,000 drafts for both black and red printing. This means you get a longer print life and more uniform print quality, making it a cost-effective choice for your office needs. Wondering if it's compatible with your printer? Well, you're in luck. These ribbons work with a range of Epson models, including ERC-30, ERC-34, ERC-38, M188B, TMU-220, and TMU-220B. But that's not all. They're also compatible with SNBC BTPM300 and Bixelin GRC220BR, SRP275, SERP2753. For a complete list of compatible models, refer to the picture provided. Before we wrap things up, it's essential to highlight Bigger's commitment to quality. They've been in the office supplies field for decades, consistently providing their customers with top-quality products. Each ribbon is meticulously produced in their state-of-the-art facility and thoroughly tested before it reaches you. They're revolutionizing the compatible ribbon cartridge industry with their high-grade products. So, what makes these ribbons stand out? It's the high-quality ribbon itself. Smooth and durable, it offers accurate colors and ultra-sharp text every single time. Your prints will look fantastic, and you won't have to worry about inconsistencies. But it's not just about looks, it's about functionality too. Bigger's ribbons use mild ink that not only delivers incredible printing results but also prevents clogging of your printer. No more concerns about smudges or smears ruining your important documents. And here's a technical marvel, ultrasonic welding technology. This ensures perfect ribbon connections, delivering consistent printing results and preventing damage to your printer due to rough interfaces. It's all about keeping your equipment in great shape. Worried about installation? Don't be. Bigger's ribbons come with an upgraded shell, precisely molded for seamless installation into your printer. Each ribbon even has its own independent package to enhance your printing experience. It's all about making your daily print jobs more comfortable and cost-effective. To sum it up, the Bigger replacement ribbon for Epson is a game-changer for your office. With superior quality, reliability, and convenience, it's an essential addition to your printing setup. Say goodbye to inconsistent prints and hello to dependable, high-quality results. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful tech and office supply reviews. If you've had experience with Bigger's ribbons or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next video.